Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we will discuss about nested loop in C. So nested loop means simply a loop inside another loop. So the inner loop execute completely for every single iteration of the outer loop. Here we can use while or do while or for loops. We can just check with for. Suppose we want to print a star pattern. Okay, so we want an output like four star, like this. We want an output. So in this case, we can use nested loops. Suppose this line we can print in one for loop, and these rows we can print another for loop. Okay, so suppose we can print one line. So here we can use for int I equal to 1. This is 4 star, right? So here we can tell I less than or equal to 4. Then I plus plus, right? Here we are using printf. Printf just star, right? We will run this code, then we will get 4 star. So using one loop, we printed this 4 star, right? And we need to print the row wise also. So in that case, we get 3 rows, right? So in this case, we can use another for loop for int j equal to 1, j less than or equal to 3, then j plus plus. This we can cut and paste here. So this loop will work 4 times, and this loop what we are given, j is equal to 1, j less than 3, and j plus plus. So first is j is equal to 1, then this loop will work 4 times. After that, we need a new line. So here we can tell printf slash n. So first j is equal to 1, then it will print I is equal to 1, I less than 4. It will print 4 star. After that new line, j will increment j plus 1, that is 2. And again it will check, it will loop 4 times. And again it will print like this. So we will run this. See, we are getting 4 star, right? So in this case, we can use nested loops. Suppose we want to print 1 star here, here we want to 2 star, here we want to 3 star, like this. The outer loop j is equal to 1, right? So that time we need to print 1 star only. Suppose this is j is equal to 2, then this loop need to work 2 times, right? So what we can do here, here we can check I less than or equal to j. Suppose I is equal to 1, so j I less than or equal to 1. Then it will print 1 only, right? Suppose in the next iteration j is equal to 2, that time it will check ji less than 2. Then it will print 2 times, right? So we'll run this. See, we are getting star, double star, triple star. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.